Good afternoon. English bound. Tax 3. Planning the trip. My name is Erika Lopez. Mm, Tutor Marta Lucía Santos. Cartagena. The city of Cartagena is located north of the department of Bolívar on the shore of the Caribbean Sea. It is located in the typical rugged and irregular coastal area formed by geological processes related to the sea. It has an excellent atmosphere and a warm climate. Duration of the trip, mm, it will travel for 3 days and 2 nights. The first day I will visit the castle of San Felipe. The second, it will go to the island of Baru, and the third, it will walk through the trash of the city. At night, I will reach the beach with a bear, enjoying the sea. Means of transportation, the tour, the city, it will be taxi and to go to Baru Island by boat or bus to make the trip more pleasant. Activities to do and City Cartagena. You can tour the San Felipe Castle, uh, rest on the beach, be the sea, enjoy a boat ride. You can also meet people who give you massages and make a pleasant moment. Place to stay. We'll stay 3 days and 2 nights at the Hotel Bellamar. Typical food, fried fish and coconut rice. I will learn to say that it's most consumed typical dish, if not on the most popular in Cartagena lounges, seafood, casserole, egg, arepa, and the caramuñolas, cream cocktail, sweets based and coconut and vanilla. Cost, approximate cost is 1,500,000 for person to enjoy the best beach in the city of Cartagena. Thank you very much.